Tip 1. I will demonstrate it for you. Prepare 2 pots and place them on the stove. Pour about 1 liter of water into each pot and add 5 eggs to each pot. I'll add about 8 toothpicks to one side. I'll boil the other side the usual way. Continue cooking until the water reaches a gentle boil. Then reduce the heat to medium and boil the eggs for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how hard-boiled you want them. When the time is up, turn off the heat and remove the eggs to cool or rinse them under cold water. At this point, you can easily see the difference. The eggs in the pot with toothpicks have fewer cracks in their shells, with almost no white spilling out, while the eggs in the pot without toothpicks may have small cracks in their shells due to the rapid increase in temperature. The toothpicks in the pot help the boiling water move more gently, preventing the eggs from bumping into each other or hitting the bottom of the pot too hard. This significantly reduces the risk of cracking. Tip 2. First, take the eggs out of the refrigerator and place them in a pot of water so that the water covers the eggs. Cover the pot and turn on the stove to bring the water to a boil, about 4 to 5 minutes. When the water is gently boiling, keep the heat at medium and continue boiling for an additional 6 to 8 minutes, depending on how hard-boiled you want them. With this timing, the eggs will be evenly cooked from the whites to the yolks. When the eggs are done, turn off the heat and open the lid. Please use a whisk to scoop it out. Simply place the whisk in the pot. Gently rotate the egg so it slips into the wire loop, then lift it up. Each time, you can remove 1 egg from the pot neatly, without slipping and without breaking the shell. After removing the eggs, immediately place them in a bowl of cold water or under running water for 1 to 2 minutes. This helps cool them quickly, stops the cooking process, and makes the shell easier to peel from the inner membrane. This tip is simple but extremely useful when boiling large quantities of eggs or when handling hot eggs. It's safe for your hands, clean, and perfect for new cooks or those who frequently boil eggs for salads, bento boxes, or meal prep. Tip 3. First, place the pan on the stove and add 30 grams of butter. Melt the butter over medium heat until it is completely melted and gives off an enticing, rich aroma. While waiting for the butter to heat up, prepare 3 potatoes. Peel them, wash them thoroughly, then use a grater to grate the potatoes into thin strips. Potatoes are a food rich in good starch, providing energy, fiber, and many vitamins such as vitamin C and B6, which help boost immunity, aid digestion, and create a feeling of fullness, which is very good for the health of the whole family. Place all the grated potatoes into a large bowl. Then add 100 grams of finely chopped salami. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Add 150 grams of flour and mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth mixture with the potato and salami strands evenly coated with flour, creating the perfect stickiness for the pancakes. Then, crack 1 egg into the bowl and continue mixing thoroughly. When the mixture is ready, use a spoon to scoop portions into a hot buttered pan, gently spreading them into thin, bite-sized round cakes. Use the back of a spoon to gently press down on the center of each cake to create a small indentation Next, gently separate the egg yolks and whites to keep the yolks round and intact. Place each egg yolk in the center of each shaped potato pancake in the pan. Cover the pan and fry for about 10 minutes. While waiting for the potato cakes to cook slowly in the pan, take the opportunity to prepare the accompanying salad to make the dish more balanced. First, take 2 cucumbers. Wash them thoroughly. Then slice or grate them into thin, bite-sized pieces and place them in a large glass bowl. Next, prepare 1 purple onion. Peel it, slice it thinly into strips, and add it to the bowl with the cucumber. Wash the lettuce, drain it, then tear it into bite-sized pieces and add it to the bowl. Add 100 grams of corn kernels to enhance the natural sweetness and color of the salad. Add 2 cloves of garlic, crushed and finely chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, and gently mix to allow the vegetables to absorb the seasoning. Next, make the dressing. Put 50 grams of yogurt in a small glass bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 30 milliliters of olive oil, squeeze the juice from half a lemon. Stir well with a spoon until the sauce mixture is smooth and creamy, with the light creaminess of yogurt, the mild sourness of lemon, and a slight spiciness that stimulates the taste buds. Finally, drizzle the prepared dressing over the salad bowl and gently toss with a spoon to coat the vegetables evenly while maintaining their freshness and crispness. Next, open the lid and gently flip each pancake so that the other side cooks evenly and turns a beautiful golden brown. When the cakes are evenly golden brown on both sides, remove the eggs and place them on a plate. Eggs may seem simple, but knowing a few handy tips like these can make cooking much faster, cleaner, and more convenient. Out of the 3 tips above, which one do you think is the best and want to try first? Or, if you have any other egg-related tips, be sure to share them in the comments below. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends or family so everyone can learn more useful kitchen tips. See you in the next video.